Hello, selamat sejahtera Dr. Johanna. My name is Darshan and I like your Gopal. I hope you're doing really well, doctor. I really hope so. I am doing average like every other student is. Alright? So my name is Darshan. I am section 4. I and group one. Same group with Jingling, Harun and Louis Chen. So on the project title Mindcare Customer Management System, okay, we have my project introduction and the overall user interface flow. But at first, we will go through the project introduction. So the goal of my project is to give a comprehensive collection of individual requirements and constraints to suit the demands of stakeholders. One of our key stakeholders, the Mindcare Center, will verify our team's recommended improvements and suggestions to determine if the proposed system is adequate for their workflow. The remaining stakeholders, right? The remaining stakeholders, such as the user and admin, will evaluate the proposed system functionality. The software product is computerized for the current operation of Mindcare Center. Furthermore, the Mindcare Customer Management System is a web-based automated system that will address customer inquiries and schedule appointments depending on the customer's needs. Efficient, right? Very efficient. Next, this is the overall user interface flow here. So at first we have the admin login. We click, you have to choose admin or user. So the reason why I have many lines actually is because it's in build mode when I screenshot this. But later I will show you the full preview through the link of my prototype demo. As you can see here, this is a full set of my use case user interface flow. Yes. Next, we have my use case diagram for the Mindcare Customer Management System. For me, the use case that I'm assigned to, alright, now here, as you can see, is managing the report on use case 12, my group. Okay, so the actors are the admin only as well as the system. Alright, so the admin will choose to manage the report and the system will display the report list. So once the display report list is done, the admin needs to choose an action to edit the report, to delete the report, and if you choose the edit report, then it will display the report information, like the individual customer's report information. Yes, that's how efficient we are. So once you click that, you can edit or view the report, and once that's done, once you have edited or viewed the report, the system should show that the report has been updated successfully, and it will show do you wish to continue or not. We will see later. And this is my use case specifications. So this is where the admin will manage the report. There's okay, you can see through the alternative flow where I said edit report, delete report, and cancel operation. So click edit button, click delete button. It's all I mentioned previously on the use case diagram. Everything should be in the prototype. So if you click edit, it should edit. And yes, you can see through here the related requirement. System shall be able to display the report. System shall be able to allow admin to edit the report and delete the report. So whatever it is, it's in the prototype. Alright. Next, on my self-reflection of this RSM course, doctor, during the learning of this RSM course, right, the most valuable experience I gain is that the way I get to handle a project and meeting with the stakeholders, I got to feel the way on becoming a developer and communicate with stakeholder to get information on how to improve their system. I also learn on how a great work from a team can make great results, right, doctor? My team and I have managed to divide the task fairly, creating an effective organization and align every work along with the timeline of the project. We also learn on determining and prioritizing the requirements in this project. So my team, so shout out to them. They are very good teammates. We push each other as quick as we can to finish the project, to finish each task from P1 to P3. So when we submit early, doctor can check our work if there's any errors or not. Because if there's any error, we can correct it and submit it on time, which is very efficient. So I really like my group for that. They're very great people. Right? Moving on to the second paragraph. The completion of this high fidelity prototype, on the other hand, taught me how to design a system that will live up to the expectation of the stakeholders. When creating my prototype, all the skills I built from RESM came together. The stars have aligned for me because I have had to take the requirements and every significant factor into consideration. Thus, I keep reminding myself that the result will be good. Furthermore, on a minimum, this prototype must depict the flow of my use case and each individual component of the system in a productive manner. Right, doctor? Here we have my prototype demo. This is a link. Click the link. So once you click the link, you will be redirected to the prototype, the build page of my prototype. So this is the build page. So as you can see, there's a lot of lines here. So as you see the top right here, my mouse, my cursor, you can see my cursor. Okay, if you see it, it goes to the preview button. Click preview to go to the actual interface of my masterpiece. My masterpiece, yes. Alright, welcome to Mindcam Customer Management System. As you can see here, admin login, user login. Based on my use case, I'm on admin, right? So admin login. So I've placed some input fields here for the admin ID and as well as his password. Click login. Welcome admin. Please choose an action. So here I've added 3 options. Okay, manage, generate customer monthly and annual report, and send notification and reminder to the customers. So based on the use case I've chosen, manage customer report. As you can see here, is displaying the report information of the customers. Delete, edit, view, select, username, customer ID, admin, logout, customer report. So it's all here. So what do we want to do? Let's say I would like to view. Okay, so we have it here. Report information of the individual customer, right? Individual. So individual, okay? So this is the customer ID of the individual. Session type, session description, all here. Session date, session time, feedback. Okay, here's the date, here's the time, here's the feedback from the therapist, alright? The therapist, not me, but the therapist. Okay? If you want to click delete this individual's one, if you click delete, it only deletes the individual of the current customer that you're viewing. So once done and once updated, we will click save. Okay? We will click save. And then the interface will show report updated successfully. Do you wish to continue? Yes or no? If yes, it will return you to the individual customer that you were previously editing or viewing. So, what if I click no? What will happen if I click no? Let's see what happens. It will bring me back to the edit or view report interface. Okay? Because if not, where? Because you can't actually log you out because there's already a button for us to log us out here, right? Okay, so if you want to go back to editing, you can go back to editing. Done with edit, you can click yes. Alright, doctor, that's all for my part, for my managed report. I'm pretty sure my members will do really great too. I hope they do. Okay, doctor, and the reason for my camera not being displayed is pretty complicated because my OBS is not picking out my mic input. Yes, now I'm using a different software, but the software cannot open my camera. So what I'm using is my Discord mic. I'm actually testing the mic and actually recording now. So it's pretty complicated. My camera is not working, so I have to use another software to actually do this. So yeah, doctor, it's pretty hard for me to present here. I'm pretty struggling, and I try my best, doctor. I try my best. So I hope you have a good day, doctor. Thank you very much. That's all from me. That's another Kirajagopal. Bye bye.